Hey folks, my name is Aman Singh Tomar and today in this video we will integrate our React application with the Firebase. So I am on a Firebase website, so let's go to the console, or you can directly visit the console by typing the URL console.firebase.google.com. So let's create our first Firebase project. You can provide any project name according to your wish, and you can also edit this name after creating the project. So let's provide a name Firebase app. This is a Firebase unique identifier for your project, and you cannot edit this ID once the project is created. So if you want to edit, you can do it now. I don't want to edit and I will go with the default ID. So let's click on the continue. We can add the Google Analytics during the setup of our project, but we will disable this analytics part and we will do it in the upcoming videos. So let's create the project. So let's click on the continue. Our project is ready. So our Firebase project has been created and this is our project overview screen. Before integrating our React application with the Firebase, I want to tell you two things. So let's go to the project setting first. So this is a Firebase project settings. As I mentioned earlier, you can edit the project name. The project ID is not editable. This default GCP resource location is by default created when you choose the database. So we will cover it later. So this is the environment type. By default it's unspecified, and if you are going to the production app, you can change it later. And we can add the support email. So I am currently adding up my current email. Let's go to the users and permissions. So if you want to collaborate with your colleague or you want to share the rights of the project with your colleague, you can directly add the member. I am adding my another email address. So this is the role, what role I want to provide to this email address. So I will provide the role as a viewer. Let's add this member. So this email address has been added to my Firebase list, and this member can access this project by visiting his Firebase console. So let's go to the other console. So this is my other ID console. So there is no currently Firebase app. Let me refresh it. So as you can see, Firebase app is there. So let's open it. And it has some limited access. As you can see, it is not a project owner and it cannot add the project. So let's go to the project setting and go to the user information. You can see the add member button has been disabled for this user. So let's go to our app. Now let's integrate our React application with the Firebase. So from here you can add your Apple, Android and web application. So let's click on the web application part. It is asking for the web application name. We can provide any web application name. I'll provide it React web app. We will not set up the Firebase hosting right now. We will do it later. Register this app. Now we have to add this Firebase SDK to our code. So let's move to the VS Code. Let's copy this npm install Firebase. So we have to download the Firebase library from the npm. So this is my currently created project in the VS Code. So let's install the Firebase library. So Firebase library has been installed in our local. So let's create a Firebase file in the root folder. So in this firebase.js, we will add our Firebase configuration. Let's go to the Firebase console. So we have to copy this code and paste it to our VS Code. Let's go to the Firebase console again and click on the continue. So let's check whether our React application has been integrated or not. So this is a React web app that we have created. So this is how you can integrate your React application with your Firebase. So now finally our React app has been integrated to the Firebase. Next video will be the authentication one, in which we will add the authentication part in our React application and we will start from this code base. So till then, you can follow these steps and create your first Firebase project and integrate it with your React application. And in the next video, we will write the code of the authentication part. So if you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.